Hi, my name is Valery and I invite you on this channel to improve your listening skills. Sometimes it is very difficult to understand native speakers. And very often we think, but how can I improve my English understanding and expand my vocabulary if I don't live in an English-speaking country and if I don't understand videos in English?
But I'm pretty sure there's a 747 leaving Heathrow tomorrow at 6:30 in the evening for Baltimore. Apparently it's going to save the world. I'm not sure how that could be true, but give me a moment. It's French, so.
This channel was created to solve this problem. You can improve your listening skills by watching my videos. I am speaking slowly and clearly. Under each video in the description, you can find useful vocabulary related to the topic of the video. Also, practice is an essential tool to memorize new material better. For this reason, I recommend doing exercises, tests that are prepared for you. New words, small notes about grammar and exercises, everything to improve your English skills. If you need to estimate your English knowledge, just leave a comment below and then we can do it together. Have a good studying time and don't forget to check the vocabulary in the description. See you in the next video. Bye!